Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions such as banks or hedge funds will trade on, unaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite algorithms and machine learning technology are able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation, so that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending upside of the equation. I want you guys to see how WAL pops up with an over 300% increase in bullish pressure here towards the top of our board today. No wonder the stock itself jumps nearly 13% as a result. What our AI is detecting and why it's on the main dashboard is typically only about $56 million of WAL stock is traded behind closed doors by large market makers over a previous 7-day average. Today alone, the major institutions moved in with over $170 million in volume. So it's a massive increase. No wonder there's such a large directional move happening. It's important to get access to that information early, which is why we choose to follow those private exchanges and use lightning fast AI technology to be able to identify at 9:38 a.m. Eastern Standard Time nearly double the average amount of private exchange volume that's normally seen there. On the options chain, let's say, for example, you had done some call options, you could see that they're up in the triple and quadruple digit return space. Let's say that you had done, for example, the $45 call option, had the most daily volume and open interest. We are going to take a look at the 3-minute chart because we know our AI picked it up at 9:38 a.m. This is the 9:39 candle down here. Options are averaging anywhere from about 15 to 20 cents. Let's say you got in at about 18 cents. It's a maximum of an over 1,000% return. But the whole purpose isn't to squeeze every last penny out of it. The market moves very quick. Maybe you didn't even get in the trade until 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then maybe you hopped out really early for a quick triple-digit return, or maybe you made a trade over here. The whole purpose and the whole point is get access to the data down here using TradeAlgo, so you're not caught chasing it over here after it's already moved. And it wasn't just WAL, there were many other opportunities, but we don't have time to go through all of them. So let's take a look at maybe one or two more. We can go to our small cap space. We could see at the top of the board CLBR with an over 1,600% increase in bullish pressure from institutions. No wonder the stock's up nearly half, 44% total gain. You could have traded the stock. You could have traded the options. Again, the whole point is to get the information early down here. When the market opens and the stock is at $9.70, it jumps all the way up to $16.34 at one point because of a massive, unusual increase in volume in dark pools. So let's go ahead and take a look at the alerts channel so we can see when our machine learning technology was picking that up, 8:28 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. 24 times what's normally seen there. What's really interesting about that, if we go back to CLBR's chart, you can see down here, this is when our AI was detecting it, and this is the market open right here. It's pretty interesting that a lot of the retail volume is coming in after the stock has already moved. Well, as you could see down here, $161 million in volume. How come that wouldn't necessarily be showing up down here in these public exchange charts? So again, this is private exchange volume. It's a huge competitive advantage. Let's go to CLBR. And you can see a nice list of triple-digit winners. For example, the $12.50 call option. We're going to go to the 15-minute chart because we know our AI picked it up in the pre-market. This is the 9:30 candle. Options were about 60 cents. At its maximum, 565% return. But again, it's not squeezing every last penny out of it. Maybe you made a trade over here towards the top at 10.15, and maybe you still exited a little bit early for a triple-digit return. There's plenty of profit to be made in between. The last example would be SMCI. Let's take a look at the trending downside of the board. Pops up in the #1 overall spot identified by our AI today here, July the 19th. Stock drops nearly 7% as a result. So on the trending downside of the equation, you can see that it was identified at 9:38 a.m. with nearly double what's normally there on the red bearish side of the equation. And if you had done put options, nice list of triple-digit winners there as well. Congratulations to all of our users sharing success stories with us. We sent out in our live trading rooms for people who are either busy with work or they trade throughout the day, or maybe they're just newer to the market and they need some assistance. We send out alerts directly to our users of actionable trades based on dark pool volume and based on what institutions are doing. There were a total of about 8 trades sent today. All of them were exited for profit, anywhere between about a 30% return to an 80% return. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.